We have a furnace blower motor right here that is failing to come on. When customer turns on heat or cool, customer does not get anything, only a noise from the motor. I'm going to show you what happens. I have it jumpered right here just to turn the fan on from G to R. I'll show you what the fan does. It makes that loud noise right there, little humming noise, buzzing noise, whatever you want to call it. You see the motor is not moving. When the motor's not moving and it's humming like that, the first thing you want to do is kill power to the unit. By disengaging this, it kills power. You're going to discharge the capacitor and test it for capacitance and see if it is any good. You're going to discharge the capacitor by touching both ends together like so. And you're going to remove the wires. Now you're going to hook up your multimeter to microfarads and test the capacitance. I have my leads hooked up right here. Have my multimeter set to microfarads. I'm reading 0 microfarads, meaning the capacitor is completely dead. So what you want to do is you want to try changing out that capacitor. If it turns on the fan, it tells you it's the capacitor. If you change out the capacitor and the fan don't turn on, it tells you it's either the fan or the control board. In this situation, it would be the fan if the capacitor is not good. Got the new capacitor in here. As you can see, the old one was a 15, and if the old one was a 15, you want the new one to be a 15. And when you put the new one in, you want to test the capacitance, because new doesn't mean anything. As you can see, I got the 15 and I'm reading 14.93 microfarads, and the threshold says 6%. So to find 6% of the 15, you will times 6 times 15, which is 90, and then you'll move the decimal place 2 places to the left, which is 0.9. So that means this thing can lose 0.9 and still be considered good. And so 0.9 minus 15 would be 14.1. As you can see, this is reading over. So this capacitor is good. We're going to hook it up and let's see if the fan turns on now. All right, we got the capacitor hooked up. I jumped it again at the thermostat, or the control board, sorry, just so I can bypass that delay in the system. So let's see if the fan comes on now. Fan is on and operating. So all it was the capacitor. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my video if this helped you. Let me know if there's another video you would like me to make. Thank you.